Okay, so here we are. We're going to go through the insights of Taiga, that it's a task management app that is going to help all of us manage our tasks and all the projects to be aligned and have a global vision of how other people's tasks and activities are going, right? So to log in, you need to go to taiga.io, right? It's right here, taiga.io. If you put Taiga on Google only, you'll see that it's a natural park in the US, so you may as well want to say Taiga and then Agile in order to find it on Google. Once you're there, just put your password and your put your email and your password. If not, just log in. If you're the person that is going to set the space for the people, just know that this will look a little bit more simple, but you just need to create a very easy space and just follow the steps really easily. Now you log in and you reach this space that is the space of the me, right? My personal space. And if I want to create projects, there's going to be a bunch of things that I want to do. But first of all, what I want to do is invite people or to create a project to see where do I need people's help, right? So I'll say project, create project, and you have these options, and you have Scrum and you have Kanban. You can duplicate an already existing project, you can import a project from another platform, but what we're going to do is probably use Kanban. That is the easiest for the time that you're going to have it available and the use that you're going to give it on the program. Kanban is going to be just fine. You'll put the project name, so you can say project, right? Project 2, because we already have project 1. So you're gonna say that you need a little description. So this is a short-term customer X project, right? And then you're going to decide whether it's a public project that everyone in your organization can access, or is a private project and it's only people that have access to it. We're going to make it public and you're going to create it. Right? So once it's created, you'll see that this is how Kanban looks. What are you going to do? You are going to manage the project. So for that, that means that you're the project owner. So what I'm going to do is create all the tasks that needs to be done in this project. So say task 1 needs to be done, then task 2, task 2, task 3, task 4, and task 5. You see that there's like a task that is wrongly spelled right here, so just go in and say, okay, what's going on? This is wrong. Accept it. Go back. Yeah, so you have all the tasks over there, and say that you want to know that you need another person in your team to join Taiga to keep on with the tasks. So you go to team, and you'll see that it's just me, Anna, the product owner. So you go to admin and say, hey, members, I need people on my team, so I need a new member, and I'm going to send an email to Marta, that is my teammate, right? And I'm gonna say that she's whatever I want, right? So I'm going to give her design, because she's a designer. Okay, invite. Oops, something happened. Okay, so in this case, Marta will need to have her own membership to be able to do that. And that is what I am going to show you later. For now, you're going to go back to projects, and you are here. You have the project management. So you have project 1 and project 2. So say you go to project 2 and you say, okay, what's going on in project 2? So you have all these 5 tasks, and I'll say, okay, so this task is ready to start, and this task is ready to start too. And then you say, okay, these ones can wait, or until the task 1 is not in progress, this cannot be starting. Okay, you go into task 1 and you say, okay, this task is going to be assigned to someone. And you say assigned to me in this case because I'm the only person in the team. And then you can add a watcher. That could be, okay, so someone is going to watch for you to accomplish this task. You're going to say, okay, this is going well or not. You're going to assign a time. Is this a due date to do in 1 week? It needs to be in 2 weeks, in 1 month, in 3 months. Why is it due? This is going to be, yeah, so there's a lot of special options that can be used very easily. The good thing about Kanban is that you can just approach this and you'll see directly who is doing what. In this case, you see that's me, and where are the things standing. So say that this is in progress, and then because this is in progress, task 3 could be ready. Then when I'm done with task 2, I put it to done, and I could even say that it's archived, right? So it's hidden. You don't see them anymore. So there's very easy back and forth, one is back, one is forth. It's important to understand that these tasks, although you can move them back and forth, it will be nice to always move it to the right? So if you say it is ready, you can move it to the in process, but it doesn't, although it's in process, it's okay to move it back, but it's better not to, so everyone knows where it's standing. And if you have difficulties, you can ask for help to your project manager and say, okay, what's going on? And if something's going wrong, the watcher can say, okay, what's going on with your task? So this is a little bit of how Kanban works and how they should be using for you. You see that here's like if you want to see it wider or shorter, everything is very intuitive, very useful. Here again, you're going to be able to see the projects and see like what's going on in one project or the other ones. Who has made moves? Has anything happened? What has been going on? Is there events or news happening? Who's the most active? Everything is just here and it's very easy. But the most important thing is that you use the Kanban and the project board for that. And then in each project, when you click on it, you're going to see what has been going on in each task. You'll see that status change, that is going here or there. So it's very easy. It's very intuitive, and it's very important because this way what you will see is that the whole team has a very clear vision of which tasks are being developed.